Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be picking back up on the 1990 Yamaha Radian Scrambler build. I've got a set of bars to put on this today, and bark busters, grips, mirrors, as well as a nice CNC rally tower I'm going to be putting on this just for GPS mounting capability. Last year I took my 2017 Suzuki DRZ 400 on the Trans-America Trail. I utilized this rally tower. It worked out really well, and I'm gonna be taking this off, which is just 4 bolts and 2 clamps, and I'll be putting it on the new bars that I have for the Radian build. Bar that I went with today is a Pro Taper EVO. Nice brand new set of bars. These are the Adventure High Bend. Beautiful set of bars. This bend has a pretty decent sweep to it for larger adventure style bikes, and is an 1 1/8" bar that tapers back down to normal 7/8 grips. Man, I love these bars. First thing we'll have to do, start pulling the controls off, which is going to be pretty simple on this bike. So let's get to it. Alright, we'll see the sweep here. A little bit of a difference in the sweep. It'll be a little bit straighter of a bar. Probably feel loads different on the bike. Universal solid handlebar adapters. They're 1 1/8" and adds 3/4 inch rise. There we go. A little bit of blue thread locker, some medium strength thread locker. Is definitely good for anything off-road. Scratch the bars up first day. It's a Scrambler, man. Doing Scrambler stuff. Alright, stay right there. One moment. So for getting on newer grips, you got to cut out the center. I'm going to be putting some bark busters on, so carefully with this flimsy little blade without cutting myself. I said without cutting myself. There we go. Wabba! Wabba wabba! All right, a little bit hard to envision without the headlight cowl and everything on, but we've got the Adventure High bend bars. My cheapo bark busters are tightened up. Everything's good on there. Let's see, one, or actually a couple more things. We still have to mount the nice CNC rally tower, and then also I've got another set of cheapo. These are like half the price of the Pro Take or double take mirrors like what I got here on the DRZ. And I mean, so far, check it out. So far, this is like some nice quality stuff. Might not be as many adjustment things. I think this, opposed to the round mirror. Oh, look at that. They even come with perch things, perch mounts, and a couple different adapters. That's cool. All right. We got a little bit messed up threads on that perch. So I've got just a standard tap and die set here. Oh, yeah. Check that out. Look at that. Something worked. Imagine that. Yeah. Yeah, dude, those are nice. All right, dude, this thing is gonna be sick. 65 horse bike. Wabba! Hell yeah. Got the clutch cable hooked back up. That was no big deal. I just had it ran wrong. Ugh, get out of my way, DRZ. Oh yeah, I need to take these out. It even came in this box. Look how legit that is. Knew that was gonna happen. The setup's been from Michigan to Colorado and back. Oh yeah, got that little cord to cut there. Not a cord. Zip tie. Little field fix I had going on there. Went to a Napa auto parts store. Alright, check that out. Rally tower on a 1990 Yamaha Radian. How sick is that? Look at that. Look at that fit. Dude, sick. Now, need to put the rest of this fairing on, and there's actually like this mini, this is called a mini fairing, and it came with this like little piece of Lexan cut and bent to fit. Look at that. Look at that. Hell yeah. Check that out. Dude, that's sick. That's gonna be awesome. Can change that angle of the dangle. Hell yeah. So as you can see, I can't really see my gauges, which I don't really care. I actually have a Garmin XT2 Zumo, which is on my KTM 890 currently. And I've got a new power cable that I'll run up to the back of this mount. Dude, that's cool. That's cool. I think I'm gonna end up probably bolting up the headlight cowl just for a picture, but the headlight cowl won't go on yet. I'm hanging the harness out to the front, as you guys can see, and then I've got my little manifold or this whatever this is considered for the brake lines up front. But I've got this disconnected, and then I want to put that Supermoto front fender from my DR650 that I had, and that's gonna be up underneath here. So yeah, that'll be cool. I'm sticking with the round headlight look. I like that round headlight. So yeah, look at that. And this Yamaha Radian, never thought it was gonna be an adventure bike, and here it is. Alright everyone, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching this new sublet channel of my main channel, JB Outdoors. I'm Justin with JB Wrenches. Remember to spend more time in the garage. I'll see y'all in the next one.